Alright everyone, welcome to the Net Social Blog channel. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add footer links on your Blogger blog easily using HTML code. So footer links actually helps you to navigate, helps your visitor to navigate from anywhere on your home page or your other pages to some other places in your article. Just like we have header navigation, we also have footer navigation, but while it is easier to do that on WordPress, so the case is not so on Blogger blog. So I'm just going to, but before we dive into the practical aspect on how to do that, so let's just take a quick look at how it looks like. So this is Net Social Blog on the Blogger blog, and this is Net Social Blog on WordPress. So this was when we are actually using the Blogger blog. So this is the header navigation presently. So we have the home, we have the start here, and we have the advertise. So these are simply header menu navigation. So and then when you scroll down to the bottom of this website, so you're going to see the footer link. So this is the footer link I'm trying to apply. We have the home, about, submit sponsor post, hire us, access HTML, blogger code parser, contact us, and the like. So this actually helps you to helps visitors to navigate to other parts on your website. So now, having known about all of that, so now let's get started on how you can add footer links to your blogger. So if you want to add footer links to your Blogger blog, all you have to do is you copy the HTML code there. So there's, you visit this link, so and I'm going to attach this link at the description of this video on our YouTube channel. So you copy this link, so by going there, so you copy it up to this extent. So when you copy it, right click and click on copy, then you go to your blog's layout section. So this is the Blogger blog dashboard. You click on layout. So when you click on layout, so we have the header tab, which is where you can add the widget for header, and we have the page list up, we have the feature, we have the sidebar. So but in this case we want to add it to the footer of the website. So this is the footer website, but because I've already added an HTML, I've already added the footer code before, so I'm just going to shift this here and try to okay, let me leave it at, so I'm going to add the gadget. So you click on add a gadget. So when you click on add a gadget, then you click on HTML/JavaScript. That is, you want to add an HTML code, which is the code that we you copy from here. Then this show this widget means you want to show the widgets, and then title is actually optional, but in this case it's not actually important for you to put the title there. So the most important is to paste it inside the content. So you paste it content. So now you have the link that you copy from here, then you have here. So then the next thing is to populate the link, I mean where you want your website to go on this where you have your linking here. So the first one I have about. So in this case I want the visitor to go to about us whenever they click it. So I'm going to go to the about us section. So this, just because the website is actually still on the, so I'm going to copy the about us link. So you can do that by going to your pages also if you want to find out. So let me save it first. So then open my pages on the identity drawer. So this is the pages, and let me go to about us. About us should be here. So about us, okay. So this is about us. Then you copy the link. So this is, then you right click and copy link. So when you have copy link, then you come down here, and then so you have this your link here. So where you have this your link here, you are going to highlight it up to where the apostrophe start from the beginning to the end. Then you delete it and you paste the link here. So you have the about us link there. So then the next one is the sitemap. So if you want to add sitemap, you can do that, and if you don't want to, you can actually delete it. So in this case I want to add sitemap. You copy the link, and so let's say I don't want to add sitemap. So all you have to do is the sitemap links start from here. It starts from here, and then you highlight it and it ends here, so you delete it. That's if you don't want sitemap to be on your website. So then you have submit post. So in this case I use it for people to submit guest posts on the Blogger on our website. So you copy the link and then you paste it here, so which makes it easy for people to submit guest posts. So you can write a text that submit guest posts, and then the next one is contact us. So that is, if you want people to contact you, so then you right click on the copy link address, and you where you have your link here, so you delete it and you paste the link to contact us. So then you have the advertise, you go to the pages for advertise and you copy the link for advertise, then you highlight it and you paste it. So the privacy policy is actually optional. So let's say I don't want that, I'm going to delete it. So now that we have all of this done, then you click on save. So when you are save it, so this is the new HTML/JavaScript that I've just added. So now presently now is on the sidebar item page, and I wanted to show her the footer. So remember that, recall that I already have one on my footer again. So let me just replace it with that. So I'm now going to drag this one here. That is, I want that to show on the, I want that to show somewhere else, and I want this new one to show at the footer. So I'm just going to drag this new one up to where the footer, where this footer is. So I'm going to drop it here, and then once I'm done with that, then click on save. So, and after clicking on save, so it's still trying to save, and so when it says your changes have been saved and I refresh, so when I refresh, then and you go down, then you can see that you already have this link here. So about submit guest one, but because presently now is aligned at this at the left side, so I want it to align at the center. So I'm just going to add the HTML code to make it align at the center, which is center, and center and save. So when you refresh it and you scroll down, so you can see now it's now aligned at the center. So that's basically how to add footer code at on your website. So the one that I was using before is actually pretty advanced, as that one had both the footer code and the social network code. But if you would like to have that as well, so you can comment on the video and I will paste the code. So I'm just going to leave that one there, I mean the one that I've been using before. I'm going to leave it there so that I think it's this, okay, it's this one. So I'm going to use the one that I've been using before, which has both footer code and social network code there. So when I save this one and I refresh the home page of the website, then you're going to see both the footer code and the social network code there. So sorry, so I think that was an issue from the network. Okay, so okay, so you can now see this is the one that I have here before. So it has the footer code, it has the social network as well. So the last time that we use this, so this is basically how to add footer code on your website.